guys at Citizen Machinery. Massive fans of Citizen Machinery, the Citizen machines and the Miyano machines. Now we're going to look at your Citizen machines, but how many Citizen Miyanos do you have?
28.
Right, and just to clarify, we had to check that because you're making acquisitions of these machines all the time. You bought 4 in the last sort of 4 or 5 months?
Yeah, 4 L12s since Christmas, yeah. And the machine being so compact, it allows us to run round the clock and be confident that knowing as long as the preparation's done on a Friday, we know that all through the weekend the machines are running.
And I suppose the fact you've got 28 says itself, 28 machines.
Yeah, brilliant machines, but also it's down to the service that we receive. Service and support that we receive from citizens kind of impeccable, so yeah, couldn't ask for much more.
So Martin, quick summary of why you like Citizen so much.
Just that they're fast, they're accurate, you know, they're a good machine, they're easy to learn.
I'm shocked how efficient it is.
Shocked or impressed, or both?
Both really.
Our pride and joy at the minute seems to be our Citizens and our LFB and Miyanos. We want to be at the forefront of what's coming next with Citizens and Sliding Edge. You don't want to be at the back of the queue, you want to be at the front, and we're pretty lucky in that respect. Within 3 months of getting the first LFB, we bought another 2 more. It's not that they're unmanned, it's the guys that we do have can use their skills in a beneficial way instead of just breaking off a bit of swarf. The machine's doing that, so it's a godsend for us.
Yeah, we've seen some significant savings, up to 30%, and probably achieve more.
And I've really decided on Citizen for their after-sales support. Right. Warren assured me there'd be significant after-sales support to help me, and actually that has proven to be true. I can ring them up at any time, so I've got a programming problem, can you look at this? You send them the program and they'll send it back corrected.
I bought Citizens because they are bulletproof, I would say. Darren has this way when you sit down and you say, Darren, I'm after this machine, and he'll say, no, come on, Graham, let's have a look at the drawings, let's see what machine is the best for you, so you get good advice. We call it the enemy. Swarf is the enemy, and it's a constant battle. This seems to have taken that away. The LFB, and it's worked better than I expected.
To clarify, you've got 10 machines here. If you go LFE, would you go all of them?
There's actually no turning back. I'm serious. No turning back.
So once you've gone LFE, you won't go back?
You can't, no, it's just another step forward.
LFE, low frequency vibration. Just for those who don't know what that is, just confirm quickly.
Absolutely. So LFE is oscillation of the machine axis synchronized with the spindle rotation. So we're getting perfect out of phase chipping, so we can 100% control that chip every time, no problem.
Now swarf and swarf build-up in the machine is one of the worst factors against your process security, and LFE eliminates that before it can even be a problem. And the swarf, we would be swarfing the machine out 2-3 times a day with a job like this. We can leave it running overnight, 24 hours easily before we'd have to swarf the machine out.
The brass compression olive, we can set that up on a Friday afternoon, and by Monday morning we'll have something like 5,000.
So, and yeah, no, there are going to be no issues whatsoever.
No issues whatsoever.
Tool life is also improved. We've seen a 20% increase in tool life, but also above that, we've got tool breakage, which doesn't happen. So we haven't seen any tool breakage, any failure with LFE. We've seen tools wear eventually, but not total failure. We saw it, we liked the sound of it. It was like utopia for an engineer. It was the game changer, and that word's banded about in tooling and machinery as well. But it truly is a game changer for us. But where the saving is, and this is the game changer, we can run complex mill-turn components in exotic materials at night, and we've seen at least a 50 to 60% increase in our lights out production.